Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Here if we first talk about that what is meme coin. Meme coin basically are a type of cryptocurrencies that gain popularity due to the memes. Here people always used to say that why you're buying this coin even if the name says meme. Don't go on the name, there are many meme coins that were created as fun and as joke, but later on they have created a lot of profits. These meme coins are highly risky because they are changing their prices every minute, even every second. So in 2024 you can see that there are many meme coins that have gained a lot of profit. Now here if we talk about the Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Floki Inu and Bong. These coins have gained so much profit in the 2024 and now people have become crazy about these meme coins. In this video, I will teach you where you can find these meme coins in Dexscreener. So let's begin the video. Here in Dexscreener, you can see different coins here. Here in Dexscreener, you can also find all the new meme coin by simply clicking on this new option here. Here you can see all the meme coins that have been created. Now I will show you all about these meme coins. Here in trending, you can apply some filters, like you can see last 6 hour trending. You can see which have more volume. Here all coins pop up with most of the volume. Here as we have applied the volume filter here, you can see that these all coins popped up with great volume. And simply you can also select here that which coin has gained more in the last 1 hour. Here you can see all the coins current status, and here in the bottom you can also select them by chain base. For example, I am selecting here base. Now all these coins are separated on the base of the chain, and there they are showing all the coins that have been created in last 24 hours. So with all the insider information, here you can see that how these coins work. So for example, if I open here B3, this coin has been created 1 hour ago, but this coin has 152.7 million market cap. And here you can see all about this coin. And if you see this coin's graph, here you can see a lot about this coin, and here you can also filter them by their buying and selling graphs and the price. These all are the meme coins that people buy for trading, and usually these meme coins make a lot of progress, but these meme coins are highly risky, so try it on your own luck. First trade a small amount and let's see if it makes progress or not.
If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.